There are few things more terrifying than typing in your website URL and seeing just white space and for bold words, "Error establishing database connection." It looks like your website has been deleted. It looks catastrophic, but actually, it usually just means your web host is choking. In this video, I'm going to explain why this happens and how to fix it permanently. Here is what is happening behind the scenes. WordPress is made of two parts: the files like images and code, and the database where your content lives. That error message means the bridge between them has collapsed. If you are on cheap shared hosting, this almost always happens because your server ran out of memory. Maybe you got a spike in traffic, or maybe a plugin is acting up. Your shared server gets overwhelmed, it panics, and it shuts down the database service to save itself. You can try to fix this manually by going into your file manager and checking your wp-config file, or by contacting support and waiting 40 minutes for them to restart the server. But that is just a band-aid. If it happened once, it will happen again. This is why I recommend Kinsta. They handle this error completely differently. First, because they use isolated containers. Your website never fights for resources with other people's websites. You have your own dedicated memory, but more importantly, Kinsta has a feature called Self-Healing PHP. Their system monitors your site 24/7. If your database service goes down or if PHP crashes, Kinsta detects it instantly and automatically attempts to restart the service. Usually, this happens so fast that the error is fixed before you even notice it was there. You don't have to wake up at 3 a.m. to reboot a server. The system heals itself. If you are seeing this database error frequently, your host is trying to tell you something. It is telling you that you have outgrown them. Stop trying to patch a leaking boat. Switch to a host that stays afloat automatically. I've dropped the link to Kinsta below.